Hi, I'm Greg with Online Labels, and today we're here to talk about our new premium labeling solutions. If you own a small business, you can already order labels in custom sizes, shapes, and materials to fit your needs. But now you have access to more sophisticated materials, more durable materials, and all kinds of decoration options that make your products stand out for your customers. That includes products that are filled hot or filled cold, stored in the freezer, or that live in undesirable conditions on a daily basis. We also have materials and solutions that'll help your products stand out from your competition, including dual coatings, unique textures, unique shapes, and anything you need to make your label look perfect on that product. When you step up to the premium labeling solutions, you also add support and quality checks throughout the process. Here are some of the options we've added with premium labeling solutions. The most basic is pressure-sensitive labels. We've already offered this as OnlineLabels.com. Now you've got material options, including vinyl, PVC, and polyester, that add durability options to the portfolio. You've seen them in stores, and now you can have them for your products. Shrink sleeves offer 360-degree coverage for printing all the way around your product, and they can form to different shapes and sizes. So you can do cans, bottles, spray bottles, and even little energy shots. Shrink sleeves don't require adhesives, but they do require specialized equipment to apply them. And you might want to consider a co-packer if you're thinking about using shrink sleeves for your products. Another new option for Online Labels is flexible packaging, specifically single-use packets. Our single-use packet offerings allow you to package powders, cosmetics, lotions, and even liquids for single use for your end users. Squeezable film is another new material, and that's great for squeezable tubes. If you're doing shampoos, lotions, conditioners, any of those types of products require a special type of label, and squeezable film is exactly what you're looking for. You may have seen the word BOPP on our website. BOPP is biaxially oriented polypropylene, and that's great for any situation where you need a little bit extra durability for your product. Whether it's a steamy shower, a sink, or anywhere else that it's not always dry, BOPP is going to be your best option. Chemical resistance, temperature, and outdoor use sometimes require a little more durability, and that's where vinyl comes in. It's flexible and great for heavy-duty applications. And if you're looking for something a little more eye-catching, Holographic can be the way to go. You get a little extra shimmer and a little more eye-catch for your customers. Let's say you're pressed for space on your product's surface. You might need a multi-layer label. These are the labels you see with a peel here corner that allow you to give at least one more panel of information underneath the main decoration. Another option is Piggyback Labels. You may have seen these in a doctor's office application or when you're giving blood. You may see the technician take multiple stickers from one sticker to mark your test tubes with your information. And that's just one application where Piggyback Labels come in handy. Cold foil stamping or holographic cold foil is a great option for you, where you can add just a little bit of metallic and not have to use a full metallic material. And lastly, our coatings. The coatings that we offer range from UV liquids all the way up to a self-wound UV inhibiting polyester. Our coatings come in gloss and matte, and you even have the option to use multiple coatings in one application. The benefits of all of our coatings range from decoration to durability, and we'll find exactly the right one for your application. As you can see, our premium labeling solutions offer you nearly endless options for your premium products. Click the link in the description to find out more about our premium labeling solutions. Also, click the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful information. Thanks for watching.